If you've noticed that one or more of your radiators feel cold at the top or bottom, even when your other radiators are fully warmed up, we might have the solution for you here. If the top of your radiator feels cold, then it usually means that there's trapped air in that particular radiator. Because air is lighter than water, over time it will gather at the top of your radiator, stopping it from being able to heat up fully. This is a fairly common problem that you should be able to fix yourself by bleeding your radiators. Click on this video here to see how you can quickly and easily do this. Cold patches at the bottom of radiators are usually caused by blockages. This blockage is a mixture of iron oxides from the pipes and mineral deposits from the water supply, creating sludge. This builds up inside the radiators and pipework, stopping water moving freely through them. This often happens after the summer months when you haven't had your central heating on. Generally, this isn't something that you can resolve yourself, as you'll likely need a system flush. If you'd like to learn more about the different types of system flushes, then click on this video to take a look. If you need any more help, click the link below and head over to the website to live chat with a member of our expert BOXT team.